Good morning, folks. Good morning, good morning. We're at Moss Landing, Zmudowski Farms, Zmudowski area. Our bait today is raw shrimp from Walmart or Winco. Yeah, right here. Woo, morning, morning. One fisherman. That's a Master Chef tour, folks. It's fishing right here now. Nice weather. It's after the rain. Yep, let's get to it. I'll feel a bite, feel a bite. The hell? Oh, I felt that bite earlier. What happened? Where'd it go? Oh yeah, I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Got him, folks, I got him. Yeah, shrimp, baby, shrimp. What's this, 10-incher? 10-incher? Oh, that's good. It's a keeper. It's a keeper. Oh, baby. Whee! Yeah. Swallow my hook, baby. Yeah. Damn, number 4's got swallowed. Shrimp, baby. Shrimp. Alright. Just release them. Yeah, some puncture on the side. Yeah. Yeah, went to a battle, look. Yeah, getting slime. This is a 10-incher, folks. Yeah, first fish. I'm gonna release them. Yep. Woo! I got my hooks back. Oh my god. Jeez. Catch and release, folks. Yeah, we're about to release my fish. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, before it comes up. Oh, good enough. Fish on, folks. Yeah, just felt a bite, folks. Let's see, let's see. Oh, oh, no, it's a, yeah, it's a little fish. Oh my god, little fish, or I got away. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting. Second fish, second fight. Oh, it's a little one, but it's good enough. I'm gonna take this one. First fish is always a bad luck, but you know, the first one, oh, look like a major 8-incher, folks. 8-incher. Yeah, good enough, folks. I'll keep this one for the wifey to eat. Yeah. Yeah, the trouble of using number 4 is sometimes they often swallow. Man, this is 8.5. Whoa. Swole. Oh my god. Man, my rod. I forgot my rod. Oh shoot. I guess I'll clean it up later. Yep, it's pointless to release it. It swallowed all the way up. Might as well keep this one. Man, I had to retire. Second time retired. Swallowed it. Number 4, baby. It does the job, but it swallows. Yeah, this is how you do it, folks. I meatball them up nice and big, just barely coming up on that tip right there. They won't see it coming. Yep. And I'll just cast it about looking about 30 yards, 40 yards, depending how close I am. Yeah, let it fill out. Tight lines, and let's get fishing again. All right, see that area? It's a rip water entryway for Gubinos. Yeah. Oh, feel another bite. Feel another bite. Let's reel it in. Oh yeah. Oh man, got all the dirt out. Third fish, folks. Third fish. Any fish can get it. Look at number what? 8-inch, 6-inch. No, this is a catch and release one. It's too small, everyone. It's too small. Oh, it didn't swallow. Oh no, it did swallow. Oh man. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, we can release this one. Yeah, everyone, I just got it. I got it out. Let's get to it. Boom. Whoa. Oh, 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 I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet. Ah. Yeah, I say about my bait, folks. Yeah, saving it. Yeah. Meatballing the hooks together. That's all you need. Ooh, that big old surge. Oh man, see how I had to throw far? Because the water has to go down there. Look at that area. I feel a bite already, but I'll leave it there. Oh, oh, oh. I felt a bite. A little tug. Man, feeling the sand in my reel. Oh my god. Man. Nice and slow. Where is it at? Where is it at? Oh my god. Oh, got away. Man, the bite is on, but it's constantly small fish pecking it. So I'm gonna move to another area and not another entry points. Just right down there. The sea lion has been hanging around here, spooking up the fish. Yep. There you go, right there. Yeah. Yeah, right there, folks. And chasing them. Yep, if you can find a soft sand like that, it's more perch and there's holes, sandbars. Yep, more fish. Oh, got a bite, got a bite. I got a bite, folks. Oh, let's see if it's big. Reel this thing in. Oh, got away. Oh my god. Wow, bro. It's meatballing time. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Yep. Morning, morning. For everyone out there. Let's get fishing, folks. Got a fish, folks. I got a fish. Oh. Fifth one. Oh my god. Been a while. What is this? First baby perch. Thank God. Woo! Yeah, baby. Gotta get this one. Yeah. Alright. Got him poked by the lips. Yeah. It's 10. Oh, 10 and a half. Yep. Yeah, baby. Caught him where they drop off right there. Bam, right there, folks. That's the one. Fish on, folks. Fish on. Oh. Yeah. Oh man, baby. I thought I was gonna catch nothing, but the sea lion was there. But that's good. Oh, they're really far this time. Really small. Oh no, it's what? Yep, 9-incher, folks. Yep, 9-incher. Just by the lip. Woo! All right. Yeah. By the lip, man. Woo. Yeah, wifey got a fish. She want a fish, she'll get a fish. Yeah, she needs to clean them, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's get more fishing. Yeah. Got a bite? Got a bite? Yeah. Hand crabs? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's it, folks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.